These 2021 Shield pennies are selling for so much money, I don't know how much longer they'll go for. If you come across coins that look like this, I would sell them as quickly as possible because I believe that the prices might go down over time. Obviously, there's no way for certain. This is not financial advice whatsoever. This is simply my opinion. Before recently, modern era coins like this were not worth anywhere near this amount of money. So telling you what I would do if I came across these coins, I personally do not think they're cool enough to keep in my collection given how much they're actually selling for online. Now, if these coins were selling for $5 or $10, that's a different story, but they're selling for hundreds of dollars, guys. So this is what we need to look out for. These 2021 pennies have pretty much die breaks occurring on the coins. Essentially what that is the die that strikes the planchets or cracking and breaking, resulting in this error on the coin. Now, there's a lot of these out there, so there is a high probability that you might come across one. This example right here sold for $226, which is a lot of money for one little penny. Now, this coin sold for $250. Let me tell you guys a very important factor here. If you're selling your coin, you need to take good quality photos. As you can see, the previous couple photos are not the best. They could be better quality. Do a little bit of research on how to take good quality photos. It's important to take good quality photos because when you're buying coins online, let's say a collector is trying to buy this coin, they want to know the condition. They want to know how nice the coin looks. If you have bad quality photos, they don't know how good your coin is. A good rule of thumb is the better quality photo you have, you're pretty much going to maximize the value that you can get from the coin. If you have bad photos, you can immediately, in my opinion, take off a good amount of value for that coin because from my experience, it's simply not going to sell for as much money. Again, this coin sold for $250. Same thing here, going up in price. This picture is not too much better, but I guess a little bit better. But this example right here sold for $270. Same thing here, you can just see that the coins are sideways. They're a little bit blurry. The photo's not the best, but it doesn't really matter too much in this example because this one sold for $275. Pretty zoomed out. I'm always a bit skeptical here when I see large price jumps in coins, especially if the seller does not have a lot of feedback. This auction had 11 bids and it sold for $380 for this die crack error. So this one probably has the best quality photos out of them all, which could have to do with why it sold for the most amount of money compared to all the other coins. You can see the person also has it in a plastic slip like this. Now make sure that if you're ever removing coins from a cardboard plastic slip like this, that you do not damage it with the staples. I can't tell you how many times people have taken coins out of these flips and damaged the coin on the staple. A better thing to do is just push it through the plastic that's holding the coin in. That way you avoid the coin getting damaged from the staples because that can quite dramatically decrease the value of the coin. So if you have one of these coins, make sure you sell it as quickly as possible, in my opinion. If you want to keep it for a collection, that works too, but I wanted to let you guys know about this 2021 Lincoln error that is out there. Keep your eyes peeled, and I'll see you guys in the next video.